Hey everyone, this is Chris Perkins with Motor One. Today we have a Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter here, which has a really neat feature for off-roading. So you can see it through the bed, which has this nice power operation right here. And as you can tell by the hoses, there's an onboard compressor right here. The truck has to be running for you to be able to use it, but it's a really nice feature where you can adjust these. I mean, I wish the buttons were a little more responsive, but it is nice because you have presets. So if you've got a road preset, 30 PSI, 16 PSI if you want to air way down, 23 PSI, and you can save. There's like 6 presets you can save. So what's really clever is Toyota's thought about this. So there's a spot in the bed where you can keep in the hose, and this is the hose that it comes with these really nice standard fittings. There you go. And then we'll just deflate this by 1 PSI just for time's sake. So take the hose out here, put it on, just as you would with any hose. Yeah, and this hose, it stretches out long enough that it goes to all 4 wheels and tires. So right now it is automatically deflating to 29 PSI. So obviously you can hear it working. See, it went a little lower and then it went back up. So it works really quickly too, which is a very nice feature. But just for sake of video, we are going to get this back to the 30 that uses on road. Hit that again. There we go. All right. There you go. So this hose is really nice that Toyota uses, but as you can see here, we've got a standard Flexzilla. So uses standard connectors like this clutched one right here. So you don't have to use a Toyota hose, but it comes with it, so you might as well. And yeah, it's a really well thought out thing. The parking brake has to be set in order for it to work, and this only comes on the Tacoma Trailhunter. However, Toyota does offer this as an accessory. The list price is $1,250, but some dealers are selling them for a little under $1,000, and you can add these to other Tacoma models. I'm Chris Perkins, Senior Editor for Motor One. Thanks for watching.